You've heard about shooting fish in a barrel. This is almost too easy. This is way too easy. That's a good fish here. There he is right there. Oops. Almost too easy. There he is. Say hello, Mr. Redfish. What a pretty fish. Come see me, buddy. Now, unless you thought that was a fluke, let's do this again. Wham. Oh. That's 15 in a row. Mm. Mm. Come here, Mr. Redfish. Alright. We'll try for 17. That wasn't a good cast, but let's see. Oh, he got on. No, he did. Oh, shoot, this is bigger. Oh, shit. There's a good fish here. Dang. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Oh, this is like underwater. Come here, big boy. Much better fish. Yeah, that's good fish there. Okay, let's try 19 in a row. See if it happens. That's 18 straight redfish out of this one little school. Whoops. And yes, there. Oh, he came off. The camera fell. Oh, no, it's still on. Amazing. That is 19 in a row. On film. Oh my God, it's a good fish. Yeah. fishing. Hello, Mr. Red. Okay, one more time. I just missed 4 fish in a row. I think there's one there. Yep. This is weird. You know what? They learned how to spit it. I'll try one more. Oh, that's a good fit. Talk about being in redfish heaven. This is as good as it gets, folks. That's what I like about kayak fishing. I'm sitting in about an inch of water, and that's about a 4-foot hole right there. Look out. Hello, Mr. Redfish. Well, that's a nice fish there. He's a pretty good looking guy right here. Come here, buddy. Oh, come back this way. Right in the lip. All of them released. Just like this. Bye-bye. Let's try it again. This is a good fish too. Oh my god, get away from that oyster. Good fish. These are, I've done this before with rats, but never like this. These are all slot fish. Pretty fish. Hello, Mr. Redfish. Be nice. A little crazy. This is so rare. I just got to keep doing it. Let's see. Come on, baby. Oh, took it. Missed it. Oh, missed it again. Oh, now he's on. Good night, man. This is crazy. Little guy this time. Very little guy. Alright, that's like 26. Let's try another one. Oh, almost got a bird that time. And another one. This is insane. Golly. Well, you get the picture. My arms are tired, folks. Pretty redfish. You're going to think I'm nuts. This is number 34. Oh, missed it. Didn't miss him that time. This is just insane. Everybody's gonna hate me. How can you catch that many fish in one day? Little guy. I think the big guys are tired.